Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the object you'll modify. Select it in the hierarchy so Inspector shows its renderer. Next, open the project window and either create a new material or choose an existing one. This is your visual asset. Drag that material directly onto the object or onto a specific element slot in the mesh renderer. This immediately applies the shader and textures. Once done, you'll see the change in scene view, so make sure lighting and camera match the final look before moving on. After assigning the material, you adjust how it behaves by picking the right shader, standard for classic PBR, URP lit for universal render pipeline, or a custom shader when you need special effects. Then assign texture maps, albedo for color, normal for surface detail, metallic and smoothness for reflections. Tweak sliders to balance realism versus performance. If you need different looks on identical meshes, use material property block or material variants so you alter properties per instance without duplicating full materials. To finish, confirm materials interact correctly with your scene lighting. Rebake light maps if you use static lighting and update reflection probes for glossy surfaces. Make sure texture import settings are correct. Normal maps marked as normal map type, sRGB for color textures, and reasonable compression. If the material looks wrong or missing, try resetting the material, reassigning the shader, or re-importing the texture. These steps usually fix common issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check console for shader compile errors if visuals fail to appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.